In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can stop delaying work. So the very first thing, man, is, set goals, write them down and set deadlines. That's so important, that you set a date that you want to accomplish that. So you set yourself and you be accountable. Do something towards your goal every day. Then you want to plan ahead of time. So you want to have a monthly plan of what you want to achieve, and then a weekly plan, and then also a daily plan of what you want to achieve. Now, when you're doing your daily plan, what I've learned is if I add more than 3 things to do on a day, I will struggle. So I recommend always putting the 3 most important things to do in a day and then go and crush those things. Also, implement the 80-20 rule. 20% of your activities contribute for 80% of the results. Find those 20% and implement this Pareto principle where focus on the areas that are going to bring you the results. So focus on the 20%. Then take one step at a time. Multitasking is a moral weakness. Focus on one step at a time and go it that way. Don't try to multitask. Just do one thing at a time and forget everything else. The man who chases 2 rabbits catches none. And when it's difficult to get started, take the first step. Like if you have a big task, take the first step. That normally is the most difficult part. Because once you make the first step and you do that, a little bit of the task, then you can do a little bit more and more and more, and all of a sudden you're already doing the task. Go and count to yourself 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom, get started, And that will definitely help you get started and then, keep going. And so if you find it difficult to concentrate, what I would recommend is you use a timer. Set 20 minutes for you to do a task. Put the timer on and then tell yourself, okay, once the timer starts, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna do it. And this works really well. And then rest 5 minutes and then get back at it. Also, you gotta be a person of taking massive action. You have to have this sense of urgency when to do something. You have to go all in and boom and crush it. Just stop dwelling and thinking about this and that and just take action now, right now. Also, finding out what are your talents, what is it that you're good at? Because we tend to do better at things that we're good with. And then there's things that you're not good with it. I mean, you can improve then your skills on those things. Try to focus more on things that you're already good at. For instance, if you have a job, for example, or you're doing something that you don't like, then what I recommend is, try to change that. Do something that you like and that you are talented. Find your talents and then focus on those. Because when we work on things that we love and like, then everything becomes easy. And last, and I find this to be the most important one, is take care of yourself. Eat well, fruits, vegetables, high vibrational foods, sleep, sleep. You gotta sleep well, because if you don't rest your mind, you're gonna be tired throughout the day, you're not gonna think well, right? And then also exercise. At least every day, if you're not able to do some exercise, just go for a walk. 20-minute walk per day. It's so easy to do and it's doable. And so just take care of yourself and everything will become easier for you. And in that note, let me really quick share with you a story of mine where I was on a deep depression because I was doing drugs with friends all over the place. And then, I was depressed for 1 year. But then I decided crying that I was going to win in life and do whatever it takes to make it happen. And so I started my self-development, and I went on the internet to find out how could I get out of the depression. I started learning that foods influence your mood. and influence the way you are behaving. And so what I did is actually I stepped up on veganism. Vegan. I'm vegan, by the way. Now for 4 years, almost 5 years, I think. Yeah, 5 years I am already, I guess. Vegan. So vegan. So once I became vegan, my life just became easier. I didn't struggle anymore, to do work, because when you're vegan and you're eating good, high vibrational foods, and you're not eating those foods that numbed you down, then everything becomes easy, because now you have high energy, and life becomes easy because you're not tired anymore. You feel great. You feel strong, right? So taking care of yourself has got to be the most important thing. That's why I left the best for last. And so once you do these things, I'm sure you're gonna be doing really good if you apply these. So with that said, thank you so much for being here with me on the channel. I'm so grateful to have you here on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being part of my family here. And whenever you have any questions, always feel free to comment below. I'll always reply to everybody here on the channel. So thank you so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit and smash the like button if you like this video. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. Thank you so much. And by the way, if you're looking to making money online, I'm going to leave below a link with a program that is literally changing lives. And so it's my #1 recommendation. It's going to be in the comment section below. With that said, thank you so much for watching. It was a pleasure being with you here today. Have a blessing day, and I will see you next time.